Do this and finish already with the rats. You can use aggressive poisons, but it is always best to have natural remedies to ward off rats, avoiding dangers for humans and pets. Household rodents are commonly thought to visit only hygienic homes. And there is some truth in it. The places where the objects are accumulated and there is food available are preferred by rats, weasels, paraquats and other vermin that is best kept well away. But in the cities, domestic rats like to seek their livelihood even in the cleanest homes. Order is no longer a limitation for these animals that are in search of food and shelter, so if you have these urban visitors in your home, we tell you some natural alternatives to keep them away from home, without resorting to poisons and dangerous chemicals. 1. Tabasco sauce to drive away the rats. Tabasco sauce is our next natural recipe against rats. Mix 1 cup of water, 1/2 of laundry detergent, and 2 tablespoons of Tabasco sauce. Apply in the corners and corridors of the exterior of the home where there are rodents, so that the aroma will definitely drive them away. You can repeat the task every 1 or 2 months. 2. Peppermint against rats. Its strong aroma is unpleasant for domestic rodents, so mix a cup of water with a generous tablespoon of mint extract pepperina, and emulsify. Place the liquid in a spray bottle to spray in the corners, behind furniture and in places where subjects can enter or stay rats. This will take them away, while leaving your home with a delicate mint scent. 3. Cayenne pepper to avoid rodents. Place small containers of cayenne pepper or clove in cupboards, behind furniture and where rats may pass, away from pets and children. The strong aroma will make them flee your home, and you will have a natural recipe without leaving any hazardous waste.